and Parker, and I wanted to show you around my room. I'm at the Seadust Resort in the hotel zone in Cancun, so let's take a look. I'm coming in, I'm in room 701, but let's go to the wows before we check out some of this other stuff. Right here, we have a beverage bar. So there's some water. Nice glass, real glassware, which I always love. In-room coffee. Let's check out and see what we got going on here. We've got some Mexican beer and we've got Pepsi products, some juice, some cold water, some sparkling waters. I'll be hitting that shortly. I'm in a king room. So this is a dramatic headboard here. It's black. Again, I'm at the Seadust Resort. Pristine white linens. Right there is entertainment area with a console. Let's take a look at this. There you go. That's my view. And look at that. I've got myself a jacuzzi tub on my balcony. So here we go. It is already nice swimsuit weather, I'm gonna be honest. It's about 29 degrees right now. As we're taking a look. It's our view. There are the tennis courts. Beyond that, you can see just a little bit of the water park for the kiddos. This area down below is just for adults. This is a family resort. So we have a zone just for adults. So there's a giant hot tub and an infinity pool, another hot tub, plus a bar, along with loungers. Okay, let's take a look again. We've got a couple of loungers. This deck is huge right here, my patio area. Some chairs. Again, let's take a look at this tub. I'm gonna try out the tub later. I'll fill it up and add it to the video. Looks like that is a waterfall feature on the tub. Can't wait. Okay, again, another look at the room. There's a fan. I got there's the art, and it's warm, so you have to have air conditioning. So let's go take a look at the bathroom. This is kind of cool. Put stuff on. Always like that. So I'm gonna be honest, this bathroom is huge. So we're gonna go in here. Here's like a vanity area with the drawer. And then take a look at this closet. It's probably the largest closet I've seen in a long time. So it's a reach-in closet. So the iron board, robes, slippers. I mean, if I was a kid, I'd want to hide in here. This is all shelves with a hair dryer, in room safe. And there's the luggage. There's a hanging rod. So yes, huge storage area. Now let's take a look. Let's see what we've got going on. Double sink. Turn on the lights. Double sink. Travertine tile. A marble. Let's look at the amenities. Oh, some of my favorites. It's the verbena. So that's cool. And put ourselves a shower. The large rain head shower head above. That's nice. And then this is a separate water closet, which I always like. So again, I am at the Seadust in Cancun's hotel zone, and it was recently managed by Playa Resorts. So I'm gonna go check out the resort, I'm gonna go check out the restaurants, and I'm gonna check out the activities. Ooh.